Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a quick get ready with me. This is a look that I go to when I'm in a rush, or I feel like I just need to put something on my face to like spruce it up a little bit. So it's a really quick video. Usually takes me about 5 minutes to do this look overall, and yeah, I pretty much wear this look all the time. So if you want to see how I do this look, just keep watching. So we don't have time to like really do our eyebrows, and I am in the process of growing out my eyebrows, so they are very much all over the place. They really don't have a shape or an arch or anything. So I just like to take, we're gonna take this product right here, the Anastasia's Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and we're gonna use this to fill in our eyebrows. So we're just gonna line the lower part of our brows and kind of follow that natural arch. Our spoolie and kind of go over it, just so it won't be as hard. Then we're gonna take this e.l.f. primer, and we're just gonna put a little bit on our hands and prime our face. Just a little bit. Fit Me powder for the whole entire face. So Fit Me powder in 360, tap it, and then just apply it all on top of our eye, just to smoothen it out, just to even the colors out. Okay, and then we're gonna take our a big huge blending brush and take some Fit Me powder, and then we are going to just pop that powder up on our face, because we don't really need any I don't really put foundation if I don't have time. Favorite Kohl liner by L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna do my waterline. Just because the eyeliner makes it look a little more awake than usual. And then we're gonna take this Butterfly Effect mascara, and we're just gonna doll up those lashes like so. concealer right here. Quick 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. Beauty blender. And just pat it on out. And then dense powder brush, pack it up underneath the eye. Sorry guys that I'm looking in the viewfinder. Alright. And this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Also hit that notification button. Also, you guys, please go and subscribe to my page on Facebook. It is also called Ashotoftracy. Everything is in the links below, in the description box below. Everything is there. So go ahead and follow me on all social sites. Every day I do a video at 4 p.m. live on my Facebook channel, a makeup tutorial. Right now there's a theme going. To see what that theme is, just head on over to Facebook and go check it out. And also I'll be uploading here every day at 4 p.m. Yeah, I'll be uploading here every day at 4 p.m. and my vlog channel every day at 3 p.m. So again, just look at the description box below and click the links below and you can follow me on all my social sites there. And if you guys like this video and want more videos, thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Also, if you guys like my hair, I did my hair, I need to redo it over. But if you guys like my hair, just comment in the comment section if you guys want me to do a hair tutorial, because I did my hair. So yeah, so just comment in the section if you want me to do a hair tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.